home and car insurance. What would be the best response back when I do get a rejection like that? I'll be here when you're ready. I don't want to kind of snub anybody. I don't want to say I'll be here when you're ready to be properly protected or anything like that. So what would be a good response to say back?
And again, I'm just pulling this out of thin air, but I'll be here when you need the right protection to where you're not overpaying, or you just want somebody to review the policies you already have in place.
Okay.
Man, that's a good one right there. Because, and by the way, here's the thing, and I know, okay, like amateur level people will be like, that sucks, I'm not doing that, that's free work, I don't work for free. That's deal flow, baby. Like, I love me some deal flow. So
right.
That's a great one to bolt on there. And they're like, man, everybody else wants to come in here and maybe buy us a coffee or send us a postcard with a coupon for a free sandwich or a magnetic calendar. I got this guy, Justin, that literally is so confident in what he does and such an expert that he's willing to give us some McKinsey or Forrester level free freaking consulting and review our deals, right? And then just be honest with them when they say, hey, this looks good, this looks good. One of the things you might not be seeing on this though is you could actually bundle this and that, and there's about a 17% savings on that. Does it make sense for me to get you a quote? Right? No, we just wanted to double check. Fair enough. I will be here when you need to, blank, 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 right? And I'll get you a copy of the recording. You can listen to and play with this, guys. Don't just go with what I said. You guys have forgotten more about your business than I'll ever know, but I understand sales, okay? And I understand that we can't, when times are down, whether it's the market or an email like Jen just got, no thanks, I'll see you later, bye. We can't just cower into the corner and go, okay, right? And then later on follow up and go, do you have any deals, or do you need any people, or do you need any software? We can't do that, right? We're gonna be like, flow, man, flow, boom, 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 flow with it.